All right, today we're gonna install Akasha Wi-Fi light switch to a light that's connected to a ceiling fan. First off, you're gonna take the front of the plate off. It is a little stuck. Then we're gonna take our red and our black wires off of the current switch and also our ground. Now, if you'll notice, we have our red wire, which is our secondary hot wire. We have our grounding wire, and we also have our black hot wire. Now, on the back of the switch, you're going to have two black wires, which are your live wires, your green, which is your neutral or your grounding, and your white, which is your neutral. Now, first thing we're going to do is undo our wire connector for our neutral, and then connect our neutral back. And then we will take our grounding wire and connect our grounding wire. Okay, now we're going to connect our grounding wire. All right, like I said, both of these are your hot wires, and you have two hot wires going to your fan. It does not matter which one you hook to which. Make sure when you're doing this that your wire nuts are securely tightened. Now at this time, we'll just push our wires back up into our box and connect our switches. As you'll notice, we have two switches. Like I said, this is for a ceiling fan. So one is for the fan and one is for the light. Okay, we have fast forwarded through a little bit of this tightening. What you're going to want to do is make sure that you tighten this all the way and then back off a quarter turn, so that way when you go to put your cover on, that you can still move these to fit your cover. If you'll notice, they will still move just a little, and that's what you want. Now I have one of these plates that's actually a two-part plate. That way you cannot see the switches or the screws if you have them in. Now we have made all of our adjustments as far as the light switches itself with our outside plate. And with this, now we can finish tightening our original screws on the light switches. And now we're going to put on our outside plate. And now our light switch has been connected. Now all we have to do is turn on the power at the fuse box.